coming up to a trail sign. Dad's Lake this way. Well, that doesn't really tell me if it's this trail or that trail, but I will figure that out. Oh wait, the faded sign up front says Donald Lake that way, so Donald Lake, Dad's Lake. This might be Dad's Lake. I'll have to check my Garmin, but that may be Dad's Lake. Okay, so it is definitely Dad's Lake. And according to the Garmin, it's more than a half mile to Marm's Lake, but it'll be the next lake after Dad's Lake, and it'll be on our right. Must be the inlet to Dad's Lake. Coming out to another meadowy area. We're finally past Dad's Lake. It extended for a while, so it was hard to get past it quickly. And we should be less than a mile from our first camp. So, yeah. I am tired, muscles hurt. I was not able to do enough longer distance hikes this year to have good stamina, but I also know how to deal with a mental battle. And it's hard, but I know I can do it. I'll be alright. Alright, so this is Marm's Lake. I don't know if there's campsites in this part or not. Beth is back there somewhere. Looking for a campsite. Oh, this might work. Yep. Okay, it is currently 6:20. We arrived at the lake at about 1:25. Rested a while. I scouted out further for other camping sites and stuff. Found one that that is decent. So probably gonna be going to bed here soon. And so far my synopsis of this is, because one of the reasons I wanted to do this trip is because it's supposed to be like the Sierra. So far, not so much like the Sierra. But who knows, maybe tomorrow will be different. We'll see. One other thing I would like to add is a couple days ago, when we arrived in Pinedale, found out that there's a lot of smoke in this area, and in like Pinedale, and this, you know, when we came up here, the next day there was a bunch of smoke, and we were praying that God would take care of it and get rid of it. And you know what? There's very little smoke left. So that's definitely a God story. I mean, it's clear. You can see the mountains clearly, nice blue sky. There was a little bit of smoke earlier today, but then the winds popped up and cleared it all out. So, praise God.